Finding the people who want to buy your product over and over and over again, it's the heart and soul of every business. Unfortunately, it isn't easy because if it were, every single business would succeed. And I don't mean to peepee on anyone's cornflakes when I say this. I'm just trying to be honest. In this video, I'm going to share the secret to identifying your ideal client, the different levels of your audience, and how to get more ideal clients to buy your offer over and over and over again. So if you've been struggling to find more ideal clients who buy everything you have to offer, keep watching this video. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem. You can call me Jen, and I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute, where we teach entrepreneurs to turn their personal experience and professional skills into a highly profitable business by creating an unforgettable offer that solves their audience's problem. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, then click the bell icon so you're notified when new content is available. Now, on to today's video. So, you want to attract the type of people who love, buy, share, and talk about your product? Well, it's a good thing you're watching this video. On my entrepreneurial journey, I've built 3 8-figure companies, one in retail and real estate, one in brand consulting, and one in training and development. So when it comes to building master brands, I definitely know what I'm doing. A quick piece of context. What you're going to learn is the 3rd step in creating a master brand. What is a master brand? Well, it's a brand that creates so much emotional appeal that the brand's audience loves to buy, share, and talk about their product. Perfect examples include Apple, Disney, and Coca-Cola. While you can totally jump into building a master brand with this particular video, I recommend starting with the first step, which is creating a bulletproof entrepreneurial mindset that can overcome any obstacle, which you can find by clicking right over here. Now, if you've already watched that, be sure to check out the 2nd step, learning the secret tool that every Fortune 500 company used to become a household name. You can watch that by clicking right over here. Today, we're talking about audience, which, like I said earlier, is the 3rd step in building a master brand. Now, when we talk about audience in the world of business, there are 3 distinct levels to your audience: fans, customers, and ideal customers. Fans are the people who find so much value in your story that they follow what you do and sometimes tell their friends about you. Customers are the people who find so much value in your product that they buy what you offer and often tell their friends about you. But ideal customers, they're the people who find so much value in your business that they buy your product over and over again and tell all their friends about what you have to offer, so much that it's kind of annoying. On top of that, you thoroughly enjoy working with these people because they truly get what you're about. So let's look at an example. The magical world of Harry Potter. Now, people who fall into the fan category for Harry Potter have watched or read a few of the books, and they know the names of the main characters, mainly because other people talk about them all the time. People who fall into the customer category for Harry Potter have gone to maybe Universal Studios specifically to check out the wizarding world of Harry Potter, which is pretty awesome, I must say. And they can name and demonstrate all of maybe the unforgivable curses and probably have a sorting hat at home. But people who fall into the ideal customer category are called Potterheads. If you know, then you know. Because if you're a Potterhead, like this one right here, let me know down below by sharing something that only a true Potterhead would know about my favorite character, Hermione Granger. And no cheating. Swear to it with an unbreakable vow, okay? Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on getting more people who fall into the ideal client category. And the best place to start is the 3 requirements to be an ideal client. So listen to this one because it's really, really important. 1, they need to want your product or services. This is kind of a no-brainer, right? 2, they have to have the ability to pay for it. This means they have to be able to buy your product without putting themselves at financial risk. And 3, they need to have the authority to actually hit submit payment. This means that they have to be able to choose when they purchase without having to go through someone else. So you might be saying, Jen, I want more of those types of people, aka ideal clients. Well, of course you do. Every business owner wants more ideal clients, and the secret to attracting more ideal clients is by understanding them inside and out. You need to be able to understand how their brain works better than they even do. This means understanding their demographics and psychographics, which includes things like their hobbies, their lifestyle choices, their family size, and motivating factors and favorite products. By knowing this information, you'll be able to help them understand just how valuable your brand is and how you can make their lives so much better. Once you understand the different facets to your ideal client, you'll be able to put out content, stories, and programs that they want to buy. Now, I have an in-depth process to fully understand your ideal client inside and out. So if you want to learn what that is, let me know in the comments down below. After all, there's really no point in making a video that won't help my ideal audience. See what I did there? Now, I'm going to let you in on one more secret that master brands use to engage their audience at the deepest level. Their main goal is to always disrupt the conversation using their brand voice. The way that I define disrupt is, in a sense, going viral, but I don't mean 1 million followers or views. Being viral in terms of conversation is knowing and speaking to your audience so directly it literally eliminates the competition from their mind. When done correctly, your ideal client will dream and fantasize about your brand. And of course, doing this isn't easy, which is why I break down the best way to create this disruption inside of my business building program, Confidently Online. In this program, you'll walk step by step through every single strategy Fortune 500 companies use to create master brands that wow their ideal client and make tons of money. The link to this program is down in the description, so go check it out. And that's it. We've just wrapped up the third step to creating a master brand, understanding your audience and speaking directly to your ideal customer. If you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more entrepreneurs who want help growing their business. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get seen, heard, and paid for the unique value you bring into the world. Until next time.